Good morning students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's our topic is lesson number 3, space travel. Space travel. Space travel. Shall we look up? We see sky. Sky in other words called space. We can see sun, moon, stars. So in this chapter, we are going to learn how human beings finally achieved their dream of touching the moon. That is, how a man was able to land on the moon. Let's read line by line. We earthlings had always marveled at the shining ball in the dark skies, which illuminated our dark nights, made our seas rise and fall, and wondered for hundreds of years about it. What was the moon? We often wondered. What was there on it? Occasionally we wondered if it would be possible someday to go there. And then in 1969, that collective dream of humankind became a reality. Neil Armstrong of United States of America became the first man to walk on the moon. It must have been a momentous experience when the astronaut took his first steps gingerly on the moon's surface. The area where the spaceship had landed was named the Sea of Tranquility. Armstrong had earlier reported the lunar module, the Eagle's safe landing, with the words, "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." So students, let's look at some of the hard words. Here, meaning of earthlings. Meaning of earthling is a human being. Marveled. Meaning of marvel, to show or feel surprise. Illuminated. Here meaning of illuminated, made bright by lighting up. Here earthling means human beings. Where do we live? We live on earth. So we are earthling. Marveled, it means surprised. We human beings always surprised. Shining ball in the dark sky. Here, shining ball in the dark sky refers to the moon. Moon makes our darkness bright. Someday we see moon far away from us, and another day we see moon nearer to us, isn't it? So, have you wondered where is the moon and how it looks like? What was there and can we go there? Someday, have you wondered? Yes, most of we having dream of going to moon. In the year 1969, someone was able to land on moon. Someone was able to land on moon. Neil Armstrong of USA was the first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong of USA was the first man to walk on the moon. It is very great significant experience, isn't it? It is very great significant experience. Walking on the moon is a great experience. Right. Let's look out how Armstrong landed on the moon. Here, Apollo 11 mission carried 3 persons. Apollo 11 mission carried 3 persons. Apollo 11 mission carried 3 persons, astronauts towards the moon. What is the name of the mission? Apollo 11. Who were the 3 astronauts? Let's have a look. Neil Armstrong, Edwin, Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong, Edwin, Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins. Now they are going to the moon through a spaceship. When they cross the moon, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin went to a part of the spaceship that is called a lunar module called Eagle. Eagle is not a bird, it is a part of spaceship. Eagle is a landing craft. Eagle is a landing craft. Now Eagle is going to land on the moon. Now the Eagle is going to land on the moon. When Eagle landed on the surface of the moon, Armstrong reported that Houston Tranquility Base here, Eagle has landed here. Houston Tranquility Base here, Eagle has landed here. As he put his left foot down, first Armstrong declared solemnly the legendary words, that is, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Neil Armstrong stepped out. He is the first person to walk on the moon. That is, Neil Armstrong put his left foot down and declared legendary words. Do you know what will be that? Yes, that is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. This means that this is the small step for him, but for entire world or mankind it was a giant leap for mankind because the person landed on the moon. Now it's time to take the hard words or keywords. First one, earthling. Meaning of earthling is a human being. Second one, marvel. Meaning of marvel is to show or feel surprise. To show or feel surprise. Third one, illuminated. Meaning of illuminated is made bright by lighting up. Made bright by lighting up. Fourth one, momentous. Meaning of momentous, very important because of having an effect on future events. Very important because of having an effect on future events. Fifth one, gingerly. Meaning of gingerly is in a very slow, careful way. Meaning of gingerly is in a very slow and careful way. Sixth one, tranquility. Meaning of tranquility is peacefulness. Now it's time to take the homework. Read and write these keywords from the lesson Space Travel and write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.